In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable full screen display or banner display for incoming calls on your iPhone. Full screen display for incoming calls on an iPhone enhances visibility, making it easier to see and respond to calls. In contrast, enabling banner display allows for minimal interruption and letting you continue using your phone without a full screen takeover. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of phone. On this option of incoming calls, if you want a full screen, mark on full screen. And if you want a banner, you will definitely mark on banner. All apps you use to receive calls will use the selected display style, and both options cater to different needs, balancing focus and flexibility. That's how easy it is to enable full screen display or a banner display for incoming calls on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.